In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Shopify payments set up for your online store so you can start accepting payments from customers quickly and securely. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside your Shopify admin dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Payments. This section controls all payment methods connected to your Shopify store. In the Payments section, you'll see the option to activate Shopify Payments if it's available in your country. Click Activate Shopify Payments or Complete Account Setup to begin the process. Next, Shopify will ask you to enter your business details. This usually includes your business name, address, tax information, and contact details. After that, you'll need to add your banking information so Shopify can send payouts directly to your bank account. Make sure all information is entered accurately because Shopify uses this for identity verification and payout processing. You'll also be asked to provide personal verification details such as your legal name, date of birth, or government-issued identification depending on your country and business type. Once your information is submitted, Shopify will review your account setup. After approval, your store will be able to accept major payment methods including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and ShopPay directly through Shopify Payments. One major advantage of Shopify Payments is that you don't need a separate third-party payment gateway, which can simplify checkout and reduce extra transaction fees. You can also monitor payouts, payment activity, disputes, and fraud analysis directly from your Shopify dashboard. Before going live, it's a good idea to place a test order to make sure your checkout and payment processing work properly. For more information about supported countries, fees, and setup requirements, visit the official Shopify Payments Help Center. And that's it. Your Shopify payment setup should now be ready, helping you accept payments securely and run your online store more efficiently. Thanks for watching.